Ooh, couldn't pass that up. This is not just an empty building. Yeah, looks like they've added a little glass into it, but there's more. There's more. Hang on. Hang on. I was real surprised. I drove by here and I said, oh, what's that? What is that? Ha. Look at there. Now what is that? And there's an old Jeep. That's like a World War II thing. Yeah. Huh. By appointment, huh? And there's a hot rod truck. Step over there and see what I can see. Look at that emblem right there. Right over there is a Cadillac and a couple motorbikes. Let's see what this sign says. Tabor Motor Company, circa 1948. I'll let you read that. What here we hear? A checker marathon. Wow, I guess you don't see them very often. Huh. Looks a lot more like a Chevrolet than I thought. And back in the back there's something else too. Let's see if we can see what it is. I can't tell. But that Cadillac's right there. Well, ain't that cool. We're up here in Toccoa, Georgia. Right here by the railroad track. And I saw these cars and I said, I'll check that out. Yeah. Maybe sometime when it's a little lighter. Huh. No signs on that building. Must be a collector. We're right here by the railroad track, so I thought I'd walk up here. They planted some flowers here. Yeah. And there's a double track. There's a train way up there. I think it's just parked on the siding though. Can't get to it.